million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
hey boo, hey, I'm back with some synthetic drip, and y'all, it's not on this fire red bomb wavy bob that you need in your life like yesterday, but it was sent to us by the same company, and that's SamsBeauty. Y'all know that I absolutely love them. In the video for this wig, I probably got footage here with the video link that you can click. I turned the camera and showed y'all I order a lot of my own wigs from SamsBeauty. I'm gonna do an update video on some of my older favorite wigs that's coming, like Elite Babe, I think Alpha Woman is over there, Head Turner, like it's a bunch, right? So I absolutely love SamsBeauty, and they sent us over this one and two others as we round out this red and blonde wig series. So look in that description box, you will see a direct link to the one that I'm about to review for purchase on SamsBeauty. Bam! Okay, all three of these I'm super excited because all three of these SamsBeauty sent us. Hold on, y'all know my lighting be off. I live in a dungeon. Okay, let me show you. Matter of fact, let me show you. Look how dark it is over there. All right, so if you ever be like, why her lighting off, I be trying to get it together. This brick wall is real. I'm gonna do a tour for y'all soon, so y'all can bear with me. I was super excited about these wigs because they are part of a collection that I can only see on SamsBeauty, okay? And that's studio cut. Okay, I really do like them. The only thing I hate about these is they don't give them names like we used to wigs like Tasha, Timmy, Toya. These, they're just numbers, so it's hard to remember which each one looked like. This one is in the style DPL005, the one I'm about to review. This one on my head is DPL012. This one that I got, the next one I'm about to review is in the color OT Copper, and she comes with ear-to-ear soft Swiss lace. You know, y'all know I'm gonna show it to you. Ooh, almost choked. On the back, you can see many wigs in that collection, most of which we have done. All right, let's see what DPL005 is looking like, especially in this color. I think y'all are really gonna like this. Like I said, it's called OT Copper, and it is, if I can get it off that hook, look at that color. Look at that, check that texture. Okay. This one is OT Copper. This one is Red Wine. Red Wine OT Copper. Super pretty, y'all. And that bob, y'all know I hate bobs, so I think this one is gonna be a boppin' bob. Okay, come in the back, adjustable straps. In the front, you get a comb right up there by the part, and then you get a comb that I probably done sprayed. No, I think you only get one. You get one comb, yeah. One comb in the front, right up here by the part. I might be wrong. I'll show it to you later if it's not. And you can see I already put my tinting spray on this wig, okay? 005 looks really cute. What I'm gonna do is take off 12, put on 05, and then I'm gonna come back with my final until like insides. Let me turn that off, Lord. Y'all know I hate bobs. Y'all, this one I can't lie. This DPL005, this bob is a banger. Especially, I think, let me lock in, like I said, my lighting. Especially in this color I like. And I like it, the cut of this bob. So I like a lob, really, like a longer bob. And y'all, this is it. I think that this is really, really cute. She does come with them adolescent hairs up there, which I never really cut them because I just want y'all to see what you'll get when you get home, right? And this is it. I think it is very, very pretty. I know I showed y'all the back, but there you are. Between this one and the wavy bob, because I know somebody is gonna ask, like, which do I like better? I really can't decide because they both are bomb. And you know, if they was shit, I would tell y'all that, period. It wouldn't matter, you know, who sent me this. Y'all know that. So they both are bomb, but I really do like this one. This one will be bomb in black too. For those of you that like longer hair, don't worry. The last one that they sent us, or not that SamsBeauty sent us, is by Studio Cuts too, and it's long. So stay tuned for that sauce. Like I always say, maybe you're not into little banging bobs like this. Maybe it's your Auntie Cecilia. Maybe it's your Uncle Chester, whichever one. Send them my way. And me and SamsBeauty, I will get them that. We will get them together. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, very soon.